Hello, I'm back to show you this junk journal that I will be using. I know last in December I showed you Christmas journals that I wanted to work in through that season, and guys, I just didn't get a chance to get around to it. God willing, we'll do it soon, when Christmas rolls back around. But I'm going to be working in this journal that I made years ago, and I put it on private because the lighting was poor. It was really dark and you couldn't see it. But here's the front cover. Only thing, okay, I'll talk about that later. Here's the faux leather spine and the back cover. Oh. Now it's a lot of things I would do differently now that I'm better at junk journaling. But there's some things I would keep the same. Oh, and what I'm going to do in this book, I'm going to glue book in it. Yes, not everybody has a lot of pictures and things like that. So to glue book in it will be fun. I've seen a lot of people do that, use their junk journal or their journals as glue books, and I think that's just fine. I wouldn't have put flowers on the front, probably because, but this, like I said, was done a long time ago. But I think it's pretty. It's pretty. And this was raffia I got out of a $2 grab bag. But this is going to be a different kind of glue book. This is old paper, book page. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. This is old vintage music paper, vintage playing cards, but it's vintage dictionary paper, playing cards. But I think this may help some people who have anxiety watching me in my composition book, right? Because I do use a lot of reclaimed junk and things. This is vintage wallpaper. This is from a vintage book. So I made a pocket. So I'm not, again, going to go through a whole book. There are some things in this book that I would have done differently. Um, I would have put the White Fang title page actually in the front of the book. I also probably would have cut the spine off of it and made it a bigger spine so I could put and add more things to it. I like to use the book and book pages inside. So we are going to work through this, and I'm excited because I really think it's a pretty journal, and now it can be used. And that's all I have to say today. Okay, guys, thank you so very much for joining me. I just wanted to come back to say I will still be glue booking in my mini books and my pink flamingo. So this is just a different kind of glue booking in this book. Okay, thank you for watching.